Thanks Self-Record University for sponsoring this video. What's up you guys? It's your man Alex, and in today's video, you guys already see what's going down. I got the YouTube plaque. Came in the mail, special delivery, knock knock. Guess who it is? It's YouTube. But you guys, this is going to be a very special video for me, and I'm glad you guys are here joining in and watching. But I've got the 100,000 subscriber plaque right here, opening it up for the first time with you guys, so you guys can see my reaction. Let's dive right into this, right? Let's not waste anybody's time. So let's do that. Never cut towards yourself, even though I just did. Oops. All right, you guys ready? And all right, now we're ready. Nope. What the hell, man? We got a nice letter here from YouTube, and behind it is the it's got plastic over it. Nice, man. This is sweet. Oh hell yeah. Let me pull this out. So we got it in this little plastic wrap here. Oh shoot, we got the mirror so I can see my ugly face right now. Let's go. Yo, this is nice, man. It's got some weight to it. You can hook it up against the wall. Sick. Yeah, you guys check it out. It's your boy, Alex Kouras, the dude that saves money by cutting his own hair on YouTube and helping millions of people do the same thing. But sheet, man, presented to Alex Kouras for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Man, that's crazy. Just looking at this right now is just nuts. But yeah, you guys, this is the 100,000 subscriber plaque. First and foremost, I know a lot of people go into like, oh, thank the academy, thank my teachers, thank this. Honestly, you guys, when it comes to receiving awards like this, right, 100,000 subscribers, what does that necessarily mean? It means that there's 100,000 people that I've provided so much value to that you actually stayed and continued and wanted to continue to watch more videos from me. I've got so many plaques and trophies from tennis and soccer growing up, right? I broke numerous school records in high school for soccer. I've got all first team, second team, all state soccer awards. And I've always said this, when it comes to any type of award that I personally get in my name, it's always at least 50% of it is because of the people that helped me get there, right? It's the team, right? My teammates in soccer. It's you guys, the subscribers, the followers, and guys and girls that actually enjoy watching my videos, finding value, testing out the haircut, programs, testing out the techniques, trying all these new things, and looking to try and save money by cutting your own hair and build up your confidence by having better grooming habits. All of these things. But, I've always said teamwork makes the dream work. And you guys, 100,000 subs, you don't get an award for having 0 subscribers. You get an award for having a bunch of subscribers. And that's solely because you guys are the reason why I even have subscribers in the first place. I want to sit here and I want to thank, not really good at thank you speeches. I've never really been good at saying thank you to those that I truly do care about. But I do want to say, George, my editor, you're an absolute champion of an editor. He's been editing my videos since 50 or 60,000 subscribers. And then I had an editor for a short period of time. And then prior to like 50,000 subs, right? From the beginning of my channel to 50,000 subs, I was the editor. I edited all of my own videos. And then I hired somebody who was temporary, and then I came across George, and George is the man. Shout out to George, man. You're an absolute phenomenal editor. I don't think I tell you enough, but I really do appreciate you, and you're just as deserving of this award as I am. So I appreciate your help as well for making all these videos awesome, entertaining, fun, and really just the vision that I've had for all of these videos, for self haircut, for men's grooming, for real estate, for whatever it might be. You made it come to life, and the audience has shown that they appreciate it as well. So thank you, George. And everybody give a like for the video for George for being an incredible editor. The second person that I want to thank is myself, I guess. It might sound a little weird, but I've been cutting my own hair for 14 years now, right? I turned 28 years old this year. So I've been doing this for 14 years since I was, a little kid, 13 years old. Really, all of this kind of stemmed from me being a kid and wanting to learn new things and try things out and take a risk and take a chance and not really care if other people made fun of me if I messed up and if it looked bad, right? I just took the risk I tried it out. I was able to save money. The haircuts for many years were just garbage, right? Absolutely trash. You know, 13, 14, 15-year-old doesn't really know how to cut hair, especially because back then YouTube, it wasn't the YouTube that it is today. So the video quality was nowhere near as good. The videos themselves weren't as good. So self-teaching myself how to cut my own hair was not the easiest thing to do. And that's why, not to plug my program, but that's why I think Self-Haircut University is one of the best programs in the entire world when it comes to cutting your own hair and cutting other people's hair, like friends and family, because I'm self-taught, and throughout these years it was not easy to learn how to do all this stuff given the resources that I had to learn all of this. That's why it took 14 years to be where I'm at today. But I'm telling you, if you join the program, you're going to be fast-tracked to learn how to cut your own hair, cut other people's hair in less than a year. And that's just the way of the name of the game, right? Like the quality of the videos, like I'm here on YouTube doing this stuff, so it is what it is, but I'm happy about the journey. I'm happy that it took this long. I've created other YouTube channels and other different niches, and they've never really worked. I don't think I had enough value to provide to the world within those niches, and that's why it didn't work. So to have 100,000 subs and just to see the reward pay off, even though this is just the beginning, really, it's only been 3 years, just seeing this here is really sweet. And I'm looking to growing, hopefully in the near future, self-haircutting and everything else that I talk about on this channel, right? Becoming a better man, becoming a better person in society, becoming 1% better every single day, you know, looking and feeling your best as a man, as a human being, as a person. But yeah, man, this is just the beginning. Very easy reward, slight work. You know, I don't really care too much about rewards. You know, I wear t-shirts all the time, so lavish stuff doesn't impress me at all. You know what impresses me? Somebody that works really hard and has consistency doing that and provides real value and is a genuine, authentic, nice person in society. So that's kind of the way that I see it. The reward itself is really nice, but again, I judge a man and a woman off their character, and rewards are great. It tells you a lot about the person, but as you guys can tell, the reward for me is not really too much. It's not that big of a deal for me, but it is nice to see that the 12, 14-hour days that I put in every single day, it's actually succumbing to something of value, and Google and YouTube are realizing that success. So it feels nice to have the reward, and it's a nice boost of confidence to want to keep going and continue to provide value to you guys on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, and so forth. Lastly, yeah, I want to thank you guys. Honestly, you know, I thank George, my editor, I thank myself, but I want to thank you guys as well, because without you guys, like I mentioned earlier about, you know, me being on a soccer team and breaking school records and being first team all-state in New Jersey. If I didn't have my team, there was no way in heck, there was no way at all I was gonna break all those records that I did. There was no way that I was gonna break any record at all and have the success that I had in soccer without my team. Soccer's a team sport. Every sport involves team and other people to help you do better. And YouTube and business is no different, right? The more people that you have to help you out, the better you're gonna end up being, right? You've never seen a business owner of just one person make millions of dollars, right? It takes a team of people to find success. And that's what having 100,000 subscribers is, really. I really just want to say thank you to you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are probably one of the nicest and coolest audiences that I have here on YouTube. You guys never badger me in the comment section. You guys are always kind. You guys are always helpful to other people in the comment section. You're very authentic and genuine people. And I think that's what I really like about cutting your own hair and self-haircuts in general, is that it has to be authentic. It has to be genuine, right? Because if it's not, then you're not actually gonna learn how to do anything and you're just here wasting your time. So the fact that self-haircutting is a genuine and authentic skill to learn, you've got no choice but to be genuine and authentic when you're asking questions. Everything's genuine, authentic, it's nice, it's kind, and it just feels really nice to know that I'm not getting any hate from people. Aside from my dry skin, whenever you guys see videos and I've got extremely dry skin, aside from those comments, 99% of the comments you guys give are fantastic, and it's really awesome to see. This reward here is your reward just as much as it is mine. I've busted my butt over half of my life to obtain a skill set to be able to show all of you, and you know, of course, editing the video, the lights, all this stuff helps out a lot, but this is just a a good way for me to know that what I'm doing in life is positive. I'm making a good impact in the world. And really that's what I want to do, right? I want to be a top 1% guy, because only the top 1% of people are helping out the rest of the world succeed and provide value to them. So that's really what I want to do. I want to hit 1 million subs, because hitting 1 million subs will be an incredible just experience, knowing that I've helped way more than just millions of people, right? Because I've got millions of views on the channel, so I know I've helped millions of people, but at 1 million subs, I'm sure at that point it's billions of people. And that to me, helping a world of people is just something that it leaves you in a position where you're putting out into the universe a legacy that will never be taken from you. And that's really what I want to leave on this earth, is just a legacy of being great, providing greatness for other people so that other people can be great as well and do awesome things. 100,000 subs, man. Thank you, George. Thank you to myself. Thank you to the 13-year-old me. Thank you to my parents for allowing me to continue cutting my own hair, even if it looked really garbage. Thank you to you guys for always staying loyal and supporting me throughout these past 3 years. I remember I started the channel in February of 2020, and then like 3 weeks later, COVID came, and then bam, like my channel just blew up. I had literally like 3 or 4 videos on my channel. The first 3, which are still up today, are like calisthenics workout videos. And then the 3rd or 4th video was the big self haircut video that went viral and has like 10 or 11 million views right now. Out of nowhere, it just blew up, and it was just a crazy ride, crazy experience. And I'm hoping sometime soon we get a nice, massive rise and explosion of views and subscribers again, and just keep my motivation and creative juices flowing so we can keep creating nice content for you guys. And honestly, this 100,000 subscribers, to me, I'm gonna keep making self haircut videos and grooming videos and videos on how men and women and just people in general can maintain themselves and present themselves to the world in the best way possible, so that they receive the most success possible because of their physical appearance, mental psyche, intelligence, and the way that they communicate and act with their peers and others around the world. Stay tuned for a lot of self haircut videos. Stay tuned for a lot of men's grooming videos. Stay tuned for a lot of content in general that's gonna really help you as an individual just become the best version of yourself as possible through looking good, feeling good, getting your money up right, saving your money, investing your money, doing everything that you can in every realm of the world that puts you in the best position possible, right? That's what I want, and I'm hoping that type of content, that type of creativity I can provide, and I have the value and the mindset to create, but also grow the subscribers, grow the views, and provide the value that I really want to provide in this lifetime. But you guys, I appreciate all of you so much for staying through the entire video. I know I ramble a lot when it comes to this stuff. Let's keep going, man. We gotta hit 250, 500, 750, 1 milli, all that jazz. Let's get the green, blue, gold, purple going on with this. Let's get the every single color plaque they got. I don't even know, I think it's millions next one, but this is gonna be a fun ride. It's been a fun ride so far, and I'm looking forward to continuing on this journey and meeting new friends and making new awesome connections with you guys. So thank you again so much for watching, and stay tuned. A lot more to come. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.